Welcome to Jamaican Shore Fishing, guys. Bless up yourself. Thank you for joining the channel. Just please like, share, subscribe, and watch the ad. And this video is about a particular high school that was pretty damaged by Hurricane Melissa. That one of you viewers requested for me to post this video that you'd love the raw footage, and which I did. I promised I would, and here we go. And here goes that ball field that I showed you in the last video, guys. That was pretty flooded out, and the damage that the school has sustained. I kid you not, it took a pretty bad hit, guys. Check it out. Look at this roof right here. We're going to go back around in a circle. We're going to make a full circle first, and we're going to come back around and take our time and go around on more like a side flight, and pretty much get a view of everything by zooming into these places and let you see the destruction that Melissa has caused to these buildings. This school is going to take a good significant amount of work to get up and running again, based on the kind of destruction that I've seen in the video from flying over it a few times. And this was one of them that you guys requested, and I made sure I got it out to you guys as soon as I could. So this is it. Bless up yourself. Just remember, please like, share, subscribe, and watch the ads. And I thank you guys for joining Jamaican Shore Fishing. And I thank you guys for support me on that last video, guys. 130K. Appreciate you guys. Love you guys. Thank you guys for all them views. And bless up yourself. And I'll be giving you some exciting fishing footage soon. As soon as the water gives me a little bit more clarity, and I can get out there and do some lure fishing and all the debris out of my way. Because one of the main things that you have to be careful of when you go fishing is your lures getting hitched up and losing expensive lures. So here we go, guys. One of the buildings over at Mount Alvernia High is pretty destroyed. The roof has been completely gone, and inside's ravaged with water and wind. So here we go over to the tennis court, or the basketball court, that was underneath at least 6 to 7 feet of water. That whole lower section right there was flooded. It was I could see it literally when it was happening. So yeah, guys, windows knocked out, all kinds of stuff. So stay tuned for more epic drone shots in sections of Jamaica and buildings that was ravaged by Hurricane Melissa, Category 5 hurricane, something I've never experienced before in my life, and I would never want to do that again. And that was very scary. So here we go, one of the classrooms that was pretty damaged. The whole entire roof was taken off, and you could see straight in the class, desks ravaged all over the place. Here we go. I think this is the nuns' quarters. I'm not sure, but this is one of them right here. One of the buildings that was hit. This looked like sleeping quarters here. I would never want to be on that floor during that hurricane. That would have been totally scary. You know, seeing all the roof lift up off of your head and stuff like that. But we're going to go around sideways, guys, and show you guys a full view of what's going on here. So thank you guys for joining Jamaican Shore Fishing. I appreciate each and every one of you guys for jumping in. And please tell a friend to tell a friend. And please like, share, subscribe, and watch the ads, guys. And bless up yourself and stay tuned. I will definitely get you some more drone footage of all the destruction that this hurricane has caused and damages. So thank you guys for joining the channel. I appreciate each and every one of you. Enough love and respect. Just make sure you smash that thumbs up if you haven't done it yet, and share out the video if you haven't done that yet either. Alright, guys, so stay tuned. We are out here.